Hello, so in this video we're going to walk you through on how to make an automatic energy-free water wheel. In this video we are also going to explain the materials and the tools that you need to make this water wheel. Firstly, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Fatih Maulana and my partner.
My name is Nazzala. This is a simple projection that can change the motion of the water into the energy that can rotate the water wheel.
The materials that you need for this project are popsicle sticks, a beverage can, straws, plastic spoons, plastic bottle caps, hot glue gun, scissors, colored paint, and toothpicks.
First, cut the ice cream sticks using scissors. This piece of ice cream sticks will be used to form a barrel tower that will be filled with water and also make a water wheel. After the sticks have been cut, assemble the sticks and attach them with glue. After that, take the plastic spoon, then cut the top. This part will be used to be installed on the wheel of the water wheel. After that, glue it to the wheel. And then after that, put the bottle cap with glue. Make a hole in the bottle cap using a pair of scissors to attach a toothpick. Then glue the parts together to form a water wheel. After that, take a drink can. Make a hole in the bottom with scissors. Then cut the straw. Then glue it to the hole at the bottom of the can with glue. Don't forget to color it with color paint to make it more attractive. Then be a simple water wheel. Thank you for paying attention.
Next we're going to show you the practice of the water wheel. Okay, so that's all on how to make an automatic energy-free water wheel. Hope you guys enjoyed it and hope that this video is very useful for you guys that are gonna make it. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.